So we are back. We were talking about linear families and the specific properties that kind of happen when you have a large slope, whether it's positive or a negative number, the steeper the line. If you have a smaller slope that's a fractional slope like 1/4, 1/8, 2/3, the less steep the line is and that it's more horizontal. So there were two other properties or two other things I wanted to talk about that we didn't get a chance. And the first one is, what about this line that is y equals -3? So if I have the line y equals -3, you can see down here they drew this blue line. This means, and this is how I always read it, that crosses the y-axis at -3. So here it crosses the y-axis. This is the y-axis, and it crosses, here's the y, it crosses the y-axis at 3. And so that is what it looks like. Now, if we do the next one, oops, let's see, and we do x equals 2. Now notice what happens. Here is the x-axis, and notice what this line is. This now crosses the x-axis at 2. So it crosses the x-axis at 2. And so you have two things. Now I want to talk about the slopes of these. The first one, this y equals -3. So that's this line here. If I was actually in a sled, so I'm going to just say, this is my sled. Here I am. There's my person. Okay, I'm not an artist. And if we were on this sledding hill right here, we could all agree that it would be zero fun to be on this sledding hill because it's not a hill. It's a flat line. So that means that this slope is 0. We agree that we're going to have zero fun on this sledding hill. Okay, zero fun. Now, what if on this one, we're sledding down this hill right here? This one. Woo! All right. Some of you would be like, yahoo, bring it on. This is going to be lots of fun to sled down this hill. And some of you are like, excuse me, I think that it's a death wish. I think I'm going to not make it. I'm going to perish at the bottom of this hill. So when you hear that, some people say, yahoo, and other people are like, no, thank you. We would say that this is undefined because some people like it and some people don't. So with these two, I-N-E-D, you have two slopes. If it's going straight across, like y equals -3, that's 0, the slope is. And when you have x equals 2, meaning it crosses the x-axis at 2, this would be undefined. And if you think in terms of sledding, that should help you understand how this works. All right, so there you have it, 0 and undefined.